Chesapeake, and again some I mean, I guess these are sort of waves, but do you really call those waves? I don't know. So and there's a bunch of cool things to show you. For instance, this is the first one. If I can step on it, maybe like a little boat. We're on the thing, guys. Tumble down. Slide down here. Like stuff like this is my family. Here's my family. Yeah. It's quite a big one. No, we just in a second. Just a second. Have to put on some waves. What happened to? What was that? The seals? Oh man, I'm sinking. Yeah, or badass. Actually, I have an idea. I'll be right with you. It's not that shallow though. My boots are too waterproof. Wait, all right. Go. There's my dad and my sister. And there's always keep stepping because my feet could get stuck in that. Let's go back to that island. Alright, so here we are back at the island, but this time yeah, that was water. Made it to the beach. That's where we were just. Can't believe it. Boots to. Yeah. I'll move. I will move planet because islands. Really cool if you do this. Slide down. Then. Not too shabby. Ooh, chop up, wavy. The sun tunic effects. Have hurt shells. And hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave a view. I'll see you all next time.